Welcome and follow me to experience the art of cooking my Cyprus recipes like a local. In this session, I will show you the recipe of a tasty and healthy dish, the grilled fish. Cypriots enjoy eating fresh fish in their weekly diet. Varieties like sea bass, meager, gillhead, sea bream are often grilled at home or enjoyed at fish taverns across the island. Although often grilled with just salt and pepper and a sprinkle of olive oil, I like to spice things up and use a variety of spices and vegetables for this recipe that expand your taste buds. For the ingredients, for 4 people, you will need 2 whole fish, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 medium-sized dry onions, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and virgin olive oil. First, turn on the grill on high. You will need about 15 minutes of preparation time and 30 minutes of cooking time. That's a total of 45 minutes. Buy 2 whole fresh fish of about 1.5 to 2 kilos at any supermarket or fish market. Wash the fish well. If not done already at the place of purchase, make sure that you scrape the scales of the fish off. Peel and slice the garlic into small pieces. Peel the onion and slice it into round pieces. Season the inside of the fish with salt, pepper, chopped garlic, onion, and sprinkles of olive oil. Then season the fish on both sides with salt, pepper, and oregano. Make sure you squash the oregano in the palm of your hand. This time I will be cooking the fish in a portable electric grill machine. I will add some water at the bottom of the part of the grill to keep the fish very tender. Alternatively, you can grill the fish in the oven or on the barbecue. Grill for about 15 minutes on both sides. Remove the middle bone and serve the fish with the head and the tail on. Serve with Cyprus village salad, potato salad, grilled vegetables, and corn on the cob. Sprinkle with an olive oil, lemon, and salt dressing. Καλή όρεξη! Enjoy! Do not forget to follow me on social media and to press on that subscribe and like buttons and turn on notifications for videos to follow. Let me know how the recipe goes once you've tried it. See you in my next video.